Hello everyone, this is the Macintosh Collector coming at you. I told you in my last video that I had a vintage Mac coming in, and it indeed arrived today. What arrived today is in this box right here. It is a Macintosh PowerBook 1400CS/166, a 166 megahertz PowerBook 1400C in color. C means color. And from the description of the auction where I bought it, it's running Mac OS 8. So why don't we just go right on ahead and start unboxing this old vintage Mac so that we can get it set up and so that we can do a startup video on it. We can kind of explore it together and see what might all be on the old Mac, and hopefully it'll be in good working order. Okay, so there's the PayPal receipt. We have a box here. Cut open this box, kind of look and see what's all inside here. Lots and lots of tape. Okay, what we have inside here is modem cord. We have a Global Village 56 kilobyte per second modem Ethernet card right there. And we have software disks. So we have Mac Tools Pro, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, the emergency disk, HyperCard. Okay, that's good. Because when I moved and I had to sell off, donate, and get rid of all of my old Macs, all of my old software went with it, I'm afraid. So the collection is beginning again brand new. So that's the card for the Ethernet, Macworld Click Art, Act for Macintosh, and After Dark 3.0. So there's a screensaver as well. I think that is quite excellent. Quite excellent. Okay. And then we have a CD. This is the Macintosh PowerBook 1400 series CD, which includes system software and other programs. So there that is. All right. So that's the beginning of that. Stuff that came with the machine. Excellent. Most excellent. Close that box on up there. And I'm actually filming this on an iPad mini, which I just bought, and I'm filming it in HD, so hopefully this will turn out all right. It might be a little wobbly on the stand. All right. So here we actually have this computer boxed up in a MacBook Pro case, which is kind of a surprise. I guarantee you it is not a MacBook Pro. Of course, it would be nice if it was. Maybe he made a mistake and put a Mac Pro in here, huh? Alright. I don't know if anybody can see that or not. Okay, we cut through all of this without cutting the computer or myself, because that would suck. Okay. Alright. Here we are. What we have here is a Mac 1400C. So it's in pretty good condition. It has the CD-ROM in the tray here. And I'll turn it upside down. Looks like all the feet are present. Batteries are present. There's a battery. And then the CD-ROM tray is over here. Try to get that out. Whoa, without damaging it, which even with two hands, it's difficult. So on the back of this thing we have our power looks like we have sound out here, video out there. Here's an infrared, and then we have this little door with ports, and those ports are ADB mouse and keyboard for externals, and looks like a mini SCSI port right there. So, also what came with this looks to be a Ottoman AC adapter. Alright, so that's what's in that box. There's one more bag. Right here. Let's hope that we've got another plug in here, because the adapter's there that hooks up to the system, but the plug isn't. What we have is a floppy drive for the bay. Okay, so we have a computer, we have a power supply, but we do not have the plug that goes into this so that we can plug it in and boot it up. I looked through all of this again. This box, there it is. Found it, which is a good thing. Alright. So, it has that weird cover on it that keeps popping off. The other two that I had did that as well. Alright, let's get it open. There's a little bit of dust on the screen there. It's alright. Okay. Let's plug this thing in. Yeah, I hope you've been able to see all of that. I don't know for sure. I'm going to move that closer. I'm going to end up picking the camera up to show the screen. Even with the smart cover on that thing, it's still a little wobbly. Nothing I can do about that, fellas. No tripod. It's just me here. I've only got two hands, and I've got that thing sitting on a book. Alright.